When considering the switch to an electric vehicle, many people focus on fuel savings and environmental benefits, but they often overlook one significant factor: battery replacement costs. The heart of any electric vehicle is its battery, typically lithium-ion, which can be expensive to replace. Depending on the model, a new battery can cost anywhere from $5,000 to $15,000. This hefty price tag can be a tough pill to swallow, especially when most electric vehicles have a battery lifespan of 8 to 10 years or around 100,000 to 150,000 miles. As these batteries age, they may lose capacity, leading to reduced driving range and efficiency. Furthermore, while many manufacturers advertise warranties for their batteries, covering 8 years or 100,000 miles, these warranties often do not cover all scenarios, leaving owners to shoulder some costs. Additionally, charging infrastructure, particularly for home installations, can add extra expenses. Installation of a Level 2 charger can range from $500 to $2,000. As electric vehicles become more popular, it's essential to consider these hidden costs to make an informed decision about your investment in green technology.